fart went crazy. I just ran over a dead animal. Fucking A, bud. Should we swing it? Should we swing it in the parking lot, bro? Is that what we're doing? Alright, what's good with y'all, man? We're back here with another video. And today we are up in the M2, as you guys can tell just by the interior. And we are currently going for a little drive. I was gonna go to a car meet tonight, but unfortunately I got caught up with some work that I didn't know I was gonna unfortunately get caught up with. So with that being said, we're just gonna go for a little drive. I currently am just on my way home right now. I went to go get some food and went and got some Rita's ice cream too. So if you guys have ever had Rita's, let me know. And if you guys like Rita's, let me know, because I fuck with Rita's a lot. But as you can see, it's 7:40 p.m. right now. It was just a little bit too late for me, I think, to go to any meets. I hit them up to see if it was still worth it to pop out, and I don't think it is. But yeah, man, I don't know. I'ma see. Because if we do, then, you know, I'll be outside, bro. But nah, I don't think anyone's out. With that being said, we are on our way to the highway. And once we get on the highway, obviously it's gonna be a fun drive. So, but with that being said, guys, we got a nice POV on the 2024 M2 tonight. I'm gonna change the display for you guys because I see a bunch of people complain about the display, even just like on my other social medias. So that being said, you guys should go check out my other socials because I post frequently on Instagram and on TikTok. So if you guys go check out those, you guys will definitely be in the know and you guys will definitely get notified whenever I'm gonna be uploading a video. So can't go wrong with that. Also, I got the ambient lighting to green, so let me know how you guys like that. I think it looks good. The one thing I think the M2 misses on is the 230. You can get like the non-M stripes right there on the door panels, but I think that the M2 misses on giving that as an option on the car, because like you could just have ambient lighting right there, whatever color you want. That looks so much better. Of course, I got a Celsius. I'm not sponsored, but Celsius, you guys should sponsor me, man. Hey, let me know down below. Today in Jersey, it's only April, like the end of April, and it's 86 degrees today. Let me know what the temperature is where you guys are from. And then, of course, let me know where you guys are from down below. Thing doesn't seem to be spinning that bad in these conditions, bro. Like in the warmer weather, that's pretty nice, I won't lie, but it's just gonna make me want to get the car tuned. Unfortunately, looks like it's raining everywhere right now too, unfortunately. That's why like no one's going outside right now, even though it's nice out where I'm at. And I definitely want to get an exhaust soon, bro. I was talking to a company. I'm not able to afford an exhaust right now. A few months, give me like a few weeks actually, and I'll be able to afford one for sure. I think so, I could. I think I probably could, man. But here we go, we're gonna start this nice POV drive on the highway. And yeah, there we go. That thing was boogieing, bro, holy fuck. That fart went crazy. Hey, yo. Anyway, guys, I can't lie. This car fucking just like moves so freely at fucking 110. It's like the car almost wants to be going that fast. It doesn't want to go the speed limit, bro, I swear. Like, I don't know if you guys feel that way, but about some of these Beamers and stuff, like they just move different. Like they don't like going slower speeds, man. We got a 7 Series that we're struggling to catch up to right now. I wonder if he's about that life right now, man. Because we got an exit that we could take coming up right now, but I think I'm gonna just take it to the next exit and then give you guys some good content, because I kind of got here a little bit quick. A little quicker than I thought I was. Yeah, we'll do that. over a dead animal. What type of shit is that? Alright, bro, really? Just had to get the two slowest motherfuckers to pull up with one another. Like, actually. And then the fucking UPS driver was like on his phone, bro. CTSV, should we race him? Give him the gap sauce in the M2? 1, 2, 3! Trying to race, buddy? That ain't no V8. That ain't no... Why is this fucking Honda flying faster than I am? And I'm in a fucking M. Fucking hey, this car moves. Yeah, we're gonna take it one more exit, y'all. We'll be alright. Boom. I'm macking so many fucking bugs. We'll get a nice little pull up here when it straightens out. If I can get a nice opening, I got y'all, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to. Nothing wrong with a nice little 4-laner. All right, we're gonna give you guys a nice little pull. I'm gonna do I'll give you guys a 70. I can definitely go 70. Fucking A, bud. Fucking A, bud. Blowing the top off the old bloke. Bro, I hate stomping on my brakes like that, bro. It fucking freaks me out. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't like matting my brakes. I don't like heating them up real crazy or nothing like that. Gotta give the little old bloke a run for his little money, man. Do you guys see him behind me? It's a cool car. It's definitely cool. That's cool, man. That's a cool car. We're gonna go over to the left. Look at that shit. It's tough, but you know, I'd be ripping that motherfucker, no cap. Now I'm gonna go straight here. I'm gonna show you guys the car real quick, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just get home. I'll turn the car around up here, show you guys the car, and then I'm gonna just probably call it a night and go home. Honestly. Should we go swing it? Should we swing it in the parking lot, bro? Is that what we're doing? Is that what we got going on right now, man? Oh my God, this is a perfect lot, man. I'm not even gonna lie. Damn, they got a baseball field over here? The fuck they got a baseball field over here for? Nah, it's low-key tight to spin, and I'm not used to that shit. I ain't spinning this shit. You'll catch me doing that when I'm done with these tires. As you guys can see, we got the beautiful M2 out and about, and we're just filming on nothing but the GoPro today. Hope you guys are enjoying it. We're finally showing the car and everything. Yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the video and whatnot. It's so much fun to make these. I really do enjoy it, and I hope to continue to do so in the future. With all these nice days coming up, I'll definitely be recording more and more, so y'all just stay tuned. I'm sorry I couldn't go out to a car meet tonight, but I really wanted to. It's just I got too caught up with work, and I know by the time I get there, everyone's gonna have left, or it's gonna have gotten shut or something like that, bro. All right, you guys, well, I actually just got home, but I gotta open up the garage. As you can see, we got the beautiful Z3. Let me know what type of content you guys want to see with this. Let me know what type of mods you guys want to see on this, and maybe we'll throw a different engine in there if you guys really want to see that, man, because I could definitely sell this motor and definitely just go use that money to go buy another motor, and it would take extra money on top of that, but I think it could be possible. So you guys just let me know if that's something you'd be interested in, and I can make that happen. I don't see too many good, I don't see good content of any Z3 swaps, to be honest with you, unless you guys can put me on. So I think I could be the one to make really good content with it. But as you guys can see, on the way home, we were riding a little bit dirty, but there's no problem with that, man. The car looks amazing. I'm fucking in love with this car, bro. There's nothing better. But again, with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed today's video, man. I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. And yeah, make sure to hit the like button, the sub button. Make sure to let me know down below what you guys would like to see next. And also make sure to comment, bro. I respond to everything, I swear. So just comment and I'll definitely answer. Even if it's hate that you're commenting, I promise I'll respond to the hate. But yeah, anyway, I'll catch y'all later, man. Take it easy. Peace.